Hello, my name is Kevin Ball. I will be narrating a short presentation and some highlights of the compressor building AC units supplied at the TE Maxson Wastewater Treatment Plant. WesTech Engineering supplied 3 barred air conditioning wall mount units attached to compressor buildings number 1, 2, and 3. WesTech Engineering is located in Salt Lake City, Utah. For the air conditioning unit, keeping the air filter clean is the single most important responsibility of the user of the equipment. Do not operate the unit without the proper air filter. Filter supplied is a standard 1-inch MERV2 disposable filter. Monitor filter condition and establish an acceptable maintenance schedule. In the illustration below, the filter is accessed right here behind this filter door. The unit supplied is called a blow-through condenser airflow unit. They draw cool outdoor air from the sides and blow the warm condenser air exiting the coil through the front grill. Ensure the side and front grills are free from dust and debris. The outdoor coil must be kept clean and free of any airborne debris which can accumulate over time. Large volumes of air are circulated over the coil, and airborne debris such as lint, dust, materials shed from trees, paper, or other types of airborne material that can become airborne can collect on the entering coil surface. The outdoor coil must dissipate heat during the cooling mode. If the coil is dirty and matted with debris, the airflow across the coil will be reduced, causing poor performance. Cleaning of the outdoor coil should only be done by a qualified service technician. Good operating practices. Always keep the equipment in peak operating condition with routine scheduled maintenance, especially for the air filter and to assure a clean outdoor coil. For most efficient operation, set the thermostat at the temperature you prefer and then let it take control. It is generally best to set the thermostat at a comfortable temperature and let it control the system as needed, rather than turning it on and off. Airflow inside the room or building is very important. Keep all supply registers opened and all returns free and unrestricted. Avoid placing objects in areas that will hinder airflow. Please refer to WesTech's O&M manual for more in-depth information. Thank you. This concludes the video presentation.